Hello everyone, welcome to Space Engine. And in today's video, we're going to be checking out some more cool things that I found. Okay, so let's see, what are we doing today? Let's do Super Mars. Alright. So I found like this Mars that's like this planet that's like exactly like Mars kind of. It has like 2 little asteroid moons, actually 3, and looks very similar to Mars. Yeah, I found this just randomly exploring. So as you can see, it looks very much like Mars. It has like tiny asteroid moons just like Mars. But the difference here is this planet is orbiting a red dwarf star. So there's the red dwarf. Red dwarf stars are much smaller than our sun, but they live for way longer, like trillions of years. So, you know what? Let's go land on this Super Mars. Here we go. Here we are. Super Mars. Here we are. Oh, you can see an eclipse from one of the moons. Yeah, that's cool. So here's Super Mars. Woo. You know what'd be cool? Like, imagine you could actually like go on with like a little person space engine and walk around, like not just fly around the ground, but you actually could like jump and see how strong the gravity is. I think that would be a really cool feature. So here we have some sort of basin, and you also have some plateaus over here. Which go like way high up. Here's the eclipse area. And it seems like this basin leads into like a valley of some sort. Yeah, here's the valley. It's super long. Yeah, this reminds me of Valles Marineris on real Mars. This keeps going. Let's see where it takes us. This huge valley. Whoa, it's super long. Feels like it just keeps going. You know? It ends right here at this crater. It's super cold here. Since like red dwarfs are super dim. Yeah. It's pretty dark. And also, you may notice, this planet is tidally locked, which means that it always faces its star. So if we go to the night side of the planet, you can see that there is like a huge glacier that covers like the entire night side of the planet. Here's the ice. And there's like this sudden drop off in elevation over here. Wow. Yeah, and then this is all just ice. Right here. Is this a volcano? Yeah, this is a volcano. Covered in ice. Wow. Look at that. This game is beautiful. Wow. Here's the blue sunset just like on Mars. Let's see what else is in this star system. Anything interesting? The cold air Terra, just like this one. But this one is less Mars-like. Not that interesting. Ooh! And this one has rings. But they're super dark. So you can't really see them in like space. And over here you have a mini Jupiter. Sorry about that. Here you have a mini Jupiter. Then going further out you have a little Neptune-like planet. Okay. And this system also has another star. A 600 AU away, and it's a yellow dwarf like our sun. But now let's go to another interesting star system. Let's go to this planet. I mean moon. So here we are. A temperate marine Terra with life, which is the same as Earth. But as you may see in the background, this isn't a planet, it's a moon. Yeah, this planet's actually orbiting a gas giant. Yeah, it's cool. And this moon is 5 times the mass of Earth. That's crazy. That's 2 G's of gravity. So let's go down to the surface. Let's land, yeah, on the shore. We're next to a river. Wow. Grass. Yeah, so here's a river. And it goes out into the ocean. And this planet has a couple of volcanoes. Weird volcanoes. Okay. Yeah, so this moon is kind of like Pandora from Avatar. Yeah, so it's a habitable moon. And going in, this gas giant also has another moon that's 3 times the mass of Earth, but it's not habitable. Yeah, this moon's kind of like Mars. Oh, just did that again. Sorry, everyone. Okay, so this gas giant also has a moon the size of Neptune. That's crazy. Yes, super Neptune moon. And the gas giant itself is a cold super Jupiter. Yes, huge. 7 times the mass of Jupiter. No, 7.9. And going inwards, closer to the star, you have a warm marine super Terra, which is kind of like Earth, since it has liquid water, but the atmosphere is like super thick and full of carbon dioxide. So this planet is kind of like a mix between Earth and Venus. Hey, look at that. So this planet does have water, but it's Venus-like. Like 170 degrees Celsius. Yeah, look at that. That's water. Yeah, water, I guess, isn't actually that rare. And look at this planet. A temperate Terra. Temperate arid Terra with life. And this planet has 9 ATMs with atmospheric pressure. But all of the life on this planet is aerial life, meaning it flies. Yeah. Even though the atmosphere looks like this planet has plant life, it actually doesn't. It's actually pretty barren, as you can see. Kind of looks like our moon. And going inwards, we have a warm Neptune, which is yellow, pretty rare for planets, and a hot Neptune. And that's it for this star system. So now, I think we're going to do one more planet for today. That's going to be Super Venus. Let's go to Super Venus. 270. Anyways, happy 4th of July, people. Hope you have a good 4th of July. Okay, so here's Super Venus. Whoa. Hot air Terra. Yep. It's a very Super Venus. It's the second planet from its star. That's a yellow dwarf. It's very Venus-like. It's the second planet from a yellow dwarf star. It has a thick atmosphere with CO2 and very high temperatures. So as you can see, it has a super thick atmosphere. Here's what it looks like on the surface. You would die in a couple of minutes if you were placed on this planet. Horrible place to live. Hey, but at least you get blue sunsets. Whoa, look at that. What? That's so weird. Whoa. Oh, that's so cool looking. Imagine that. That's so cool. Wow. The system also has a warm arid Terra, a temperate Jupiter, which is blue, cool looking planet, a cool arid Terra, which kind of looks like Ganymede or Callisto, and a cold super Jupiter with a ton of moons. And it has a cold arid Aquarium, but it has a super thin atmosphere, as you can see this moon. Wow. This moon kind of reminds me of Triton, Neptune's moon. So here's your view. Pretty cool. And you have a binary Jupiter. Okay, so this Jupiter-sized planet is in a binary orbit with a super Neptune. So as you can see, they're both orbiting this point in between them. And is that the last planet? Nope. And you have a couple other planets. A frigid Eritrea with rings. Pretty neat. A frigid Aquaria, which again looks like Triton. Have a tiny little ring system. And a frigid Eritrea. Finally. It appears the star. Yeah, it's in a star. It's in a star cluster. Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed the Space Engine video. Goodbye.